Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audi A3 fog light grille. First, gather your tools. A plastic trim removal tool and a flathead screwdriver are typically all you need. Make sure your car is turned off and the engine is cool to prevent any accidental burns or electrical issues. Familiarize yourself with the general location of the clips holding the grille in place before you begin. Now let's get started. Begin by locating any small screws that might be holding the grille in place. These are usually found around the perimeter. Once any screws are removed, gently insert your plastic trim removal tool into the gap between the grille and the bumper. Work slowly around the edges, applying consistent, light pressure to avoid scratching your paint or damaging the plastic components. With the outer edges slightly separated, you'll now need to focus on the internal retaining clips. These are often the trickiest part. Use your trim tool to carefully pry and release each clip individually. You might hear a small click as they disengage. Continue this process around the entire perimeter of the grille. Once all clips are released, the grille should come straight out with minimal effort. To reinstall, simply align the grille with its opening and push firmly until you hear all the clips snap back into place. Double-check that it's securely seated and flush with the bumper. Don't forget to replace any screws you removed earlier to ensure everything is held tightly. Taking your time with removal and reinstallation helps prevent damage and keeps your Audi looking great. And for more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to check the description below for links.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.